guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the February 2023 Boxycharm base box. I realized the irony that the last Boxycharm update I did, I was in the same shirt. Swear to God, these were not filmed on the same day. They were filmed about a month apart in reality, but you would never know it given that it's the same shirt. Not intentional, just worked out that way. I was double checking against the last file to double check that this is in fact February, and then was like, oh hey, I'm in the same shirt. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and open this little bitty box. See what else in there. Yeah, packaging and packaging. Here's our little card. Treat your heart out. And it has no product info, just epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and we can't wait to tell you about it. Follow us on Instagram at Boxycharm and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. Yeah, that news was the merger with Ipsy, so cool, no product info. Hate that. But I guess I will just show you what's in here since we have no other info to go on for these. So the first thing in here, this is probably pretty spendy given its First Aid Beauty and the size of it, is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser. Now, I use their normal regular face cleanser religiously. I love it. It is my go-to favorite gentle cleanser when I need to just reset my skin and stuff. So this I have high hopes for, that it may be as good. And I notice, it sounds like a thing of spray paint, because you can tell it's got like the little mixy bead in there. So it must be, well, yeah, I guess it says foaming, so I guess that makes sense. But yeah, so there's that. We have from EVO Skin, who I've never heard of, Hemp and Peppermint Lip Serum in Speak Up. Natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free, not toxin-free, toxic-free. Yeah, that's where we're at with that. You can find them at evobeauty.com if you want to see more of what they make. Okay, anyway, so there's that. We have from Misho Beauty some liquid eyeshadow in the color Misho. That's so helpful. Thanks for that. Let's see, what color is Misho then? Accidentally tore the box. Oh, okay, that's actually real pretty. So, hopefully it's not dried out, because it kind of looks like it's separating, but it's like this rose gold with like a slightly green gold reflect in it. I don't know how it's going to pick up on camera, but it's very pretty. I like it. But I am going to check. Hope it's not dried out. I hope it's still liquidy enough. Oh, that's some crunchy glitter. Oh no, it sounds like sand. But it is still liquid, but ooh. I'm nervous about that for how gritty that sounded just waving the wand around in there. I'm like, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. So there's that. We have the, what is this? Benefit Cosmetics They're Real Magnet Powerful Lifting and Lengthening Mascara. Yeah, once again, I don't know how I feel about the magnetic stuff. Let's see here. Magnetically charged core draws lashes out to extreme length, which tells me there has to be iron in the mascara itself to be reacting to the inside of the wand. So I may just resell this. A mascara with a magnetic force that draws lashes out to extreme lengths. Don't ask, I'm in a weird mood. So, but yeah, so it looks like that. It's full size. I'll see what I can flip it for on eBay. Because again, I don't feel comfy putting that kind of stuff that close to my eyes when my eyes are notoriously sensitive to start with. Just the idea of little flecks of metal potentially getting in my eye just doesn't sound appealing to me. It just doesn't. If you use it and love it, which I know at least one of my subscribers does, that's fabulous for you. More power to you. I just personally am not comfy with it. So, from Iconic London, we have the Dewy Glow Highlight. Is there a name? I guess it's just Dewy Glow Highlight. There's no color listed. So, ooh, it's pretty anyway. I feel like I'm gonna get fingerprints all over it in like 2 seconds flat, but let's see it. Oh, it's like 3 colors. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Look at that. So we have like a kind of icy-ish one, we have a pinky one, and like a bronzy one. So there's something for every skin tone, but I'm going to try all three because I bet I could make them work. And if they don't work as a highlight for me, I can use them as like a cream shadow. I've definitely done that before. It is a good way to use like the cream-based highlighters if they just don't work for your skin. So that's everything that came in the February Boxycharm box, the base box anyway. I know, pretty quick since we didn't have the info to read off about each thing or the price points or anything, but best I could do. So anyway, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.